Is there any new business?
Madam President.
Yes, Gavin.
I move that our chapter hosts a drive-through food drive during National FFA Week.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that our chapter hosts a drive-through food drive during National FFA Week. Is there any discussion?
Madam President.
Yes, Gavin.
I feel this is a good way to give back to the community, and there's always someone hungry, and that's why I feel this is a good motion.
Madam President.
Yes, Jose.
I'm against this main motion because during this national food drive, it could cause some more spread of the current pandemic. Please join me in a no vote.
Madam President.
Yes, Carter.
I'm against this main motion because National FFA Week is in February, and the weather may be too bad for us to do a food drive. Please not pass this motion.
Madam President.
Yes, Hunter.
I agree with this motion because I think that it would be nice to give back to the community because they have helped us on so many fundraisers. I encourage a yes vote.
Madam President.
Yes, Ethan.
I rise in favor of this motion because during FFA week we'll be very busy and the drive-through will help keep things running smoothly. I hope you guys talk about it.
Madam President.
Yes, Jose.
I'm against this motion because during National FFA Week, we'll be very busy and won't have time for a national food drive. Please join me in a no vote.
Madam President.
Yes, Carter.
I move to postpone this motion indefinitely.
Is there a second? It's been properly moved and seconded that we postpone this motion indefinitely. Is there any discussion?
Madam President.
Yes, Carter.
I am for this postponement because we simply do not have enough time because we have so many other motions to go over. So please pass this postponement.
Madam President.
Yes, Gavin.
I'm against this postponement because far too often we do not give motions a chance around here, and I feel like this is one with potential, and that's why I think we should be against this postponement.
Madam President.
Yes, Ethan.
I rise against this motion because of the current pandemic, we haven't had a chance to have very many activities, and this food drive will give us something to do over at FFA Week to help the families in need. Please talk about it.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I disagree with this postponement because if we throw it away, then we won't be able to hear what everybody else has to say. I encourage a no vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I'm for this postponement indefinitely because there are many more main motions that need to be focused on. Please join me in yes vote.
Is there any more discussion on the postponement? Seeing none, we'll now proceed to vote. All in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, same sign.
Nay. Division.
Division has been called. We'll now proceed to vote by clear means. All in favor of postponing this motion indefinitely, please raise your right hand. All against, please raise your right hand. Motion fails. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President.
Yes, Ethan.
I move to lay this motion on the table.
Is there a second? It's been properly moved and seconded that we lay this motion on the table. All in favor, please raise your left hand. All opposed, please raise your left hand. Motion fails. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President.
Yes, Carter.
I'm still against this main motion because National FFA Week, we're going to be super busy with other activities and we will just not have enough time. So please do not pass this motion.
Madam President.
Yes, Jose.
I rise at the parliamentary inquiry.
State your inquiry.
What vote does this motion require?
Majority vote.
Thank you.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I agree with this motion because I think that it would limit the coronavirus spreading because it will be a drive-through. I encourage a no vote.
Madam President.
Yes, Carter.
I call upon previous question.
Previous question has been called. If passed, all debating will come to a stop. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion failed. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President.
Yes, Gavin.
I feel that a drive-through food drive is a good idea, and that our FFA chapter has the funds to help assist in this food drive, and I feel like it's a good way to give back to the community. Please decide as my vote.
Madam President.
Yes, Ethan.
I rise in favor of this motion because in February it could be cold and the drive-thru keep everyone warmer, and it could help not spread the pandemic as much. Please have my vote.
Is there any more discussion on the main motion?
Madam President.
Yes, Ethan.
I move to refer this motion to a committee of 3.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we refer this motion to a committee of 3. Is there any discussion?
Madam President.
Yes, Ethan.
I rise against this motion being the maker of the motion because having this referral will give everyone a chance to think about it more, thinking about if it's a good idea to have this drive-thru because of the current pandemic. Please have my vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Carter.
I'm against this referral because we as FFA members will not have as much say only gonna have 3 people in it, so we will not have the right. We have the right to discuss about this, but we will not get it. So please, do not pass this referral.
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I rise against this referral because, being it only a committee of 3, there's only 3 minds, and as a group, there's more minds put together, and we'll be able to make it better.
Madam President,
Yes, Hunter.
I disagree with this referment because if we refer it to committee of 3, we will not get to discuss any more about this. I encourage you to vote.
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I'm against this referral because we need more opinions on any motions we might have. Please join me in a no vote.
Is there any more discussion on the referral? Seeing none, we'll now proceed to vote. All in favor of referring this motion to a committee of 3, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion carried. We're now back to the main motion. Is there any more discussion?
Madam President,
Yes, Gavin.
I rise with the question of privilege.
State your question.
May we take our coats off? It's hot in here.
No, you may not. Official meetings require official dress. Is there any more discussion? Seeing none, we'll now proceed to vote on the main motion. All in favor, please raise your right hand. All opposed, please raise your right hand. Motion passed.
Madam President,
Yes, Jose.
I move that we adjourn this meeting.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded that we adjourn this meeting. All in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, please say nay. Meeting adjourned.